Tea tree oil is an essential oil derived from the leaves of the tea tree, Melaleuca alternifolia, which is native to Australia. It has a long history to be used for cleaning wounds and treat infections. Today, tea tree oil is used as a common ingredient in shampoos and soaps. Due to its wide antimicrobial properties, it is an excellent cleaning agent. Studies has revealed that tea tree oil effectively fights many types of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Skin of your scalp is particularly sensitive, which leaves it vulnerable to skin conditions. Also, various fungal infections are often responsible for itchiness and dandruff. Based on this theory, tea tree oil's natural antifungal properties make it a good option for treating fungal scalp conditions, such as dandruff. This is backed by a clinical study involving a shampoo containing 5% tea tree oil. Participants who used the shampoo had a 41% reduction in dandruff after 4 weeks of daily use. Tea tree oils is also reported to have anti-inflammatory properties which may help to reduce irritated, inflamed skin caused by scalp psoriasis. Never apply pure tea tree oil to your scalp without diluting it first. Instead, mix it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. It might be hard to get the oil mixture out of your hair, so you can also try diluting it in another substance, such as aloe vera or apple cider vinegar. You can also try adding tea tree oil to your regular shampoo. When mixing your own tea tree oil solution, start with a concentration of 5%. If you've never used tea tree oil before, start by doing a patch test to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction. Place a few drops of tea tree oil on a small patch of skin and watch for any signs of irritation for 24 hours. If you don't have a reaction, you should be fine to use it on a larger area, such as your scalp. For more information, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.